In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a fast way to earn money using Clickbank. So that means that you don't need to create your own product or service. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, this is going to be a full step-by-step tutorial of how you can start earning money really fast using Clickbank. Okay, now let me share with you my screen because I want to make sure that we're actually on the same page. Okay, first thing first, you will need to go to clickbank.com and you will need to create your account. How you can create your account? Well, first start here, okay? Or you can go because we're actually affiliates, okay? You can go here. Or you can go here to the affiliate section and you can click here where it says start here. It's going to be asking you for some questions. Right now, it is more like a survey. Okay. So you need to fill out the information. You need to be answering questions. And after that, you're going to have the opportunity to create your account. Okay. So with that says, once you have your account, you're going to be landing on their marketplace. Okay, Clickbank, it's a marketplace that has been around for a really long time, and they have different categories, as you can see here at the top. If I go here, you're gonna notice it, or you can also go here with the top offers. If I click there, you are gonna see which are the top offers right now. By the time recording this video, we have this Java Born, we have Prodentin, we have the Genius Wave, we have Sugar Defender, Blood Sugar Support, and others, okay? So here on the right side, you are going to have the opportunity to see what people are earning or average. Right now, for example, with this product, which is called Nagano Fat Burning Tonic, okay, $5 earned per click. This doesn't mean that they are paying you per click. This is on average. Like when people are clicking, a lot of people are actually purchasing and they are actually earning this amount of money on average. This is a gravity score. The highest the gravity score, that means that most people are actually making money with it, okay? Here you're going to have some useful information, like for example, if they do have affiliate tools, this is a one-time payment or is actually recurring. This is going to be physical product. It also have different products. So that's the reason why you're going to be earning this on average, and it's actually mobile friendly. Okay. So here you're going to have all the information. So you can actually check on average. And here on the right side, you're going to see the categories. For example, we have art and entertainment, we have health and fitness, we have self-help, we have spirituality, new age, we have sport, travel, green products, etc. Okay, the product that I'm going to be using, it's called this one, Prodentin. Okay, this is the one that I'm going to be actually using for this example. If you don't find it, you can do here a search and you can type Prodentin. Okay, if you type it, you will need to scroll down and you need to, okay, here you can have dental. Okay, and you will need to scroll down and you need to make sure that you're going to choose the one that is not in Spanish. Okay, here is this one that says Prodentin, the biggest monster in dental. Okay, if you click to see how the page is going to look like, this is actually how the page looks like. Okay, so this is actually important for you to see more information about what is it and how it actually helps people. Okay, so here they have, for example, recent case studies. This is actually a physical product. Okay, here it says brand new probiotic, specially designed for the health of your teeth and gums. Okay, this is actually um, really really important because we um we need to have more information about this. Okay, more about it, more about this, more about this, and we have some bonuses. Okay, that's actually really important. And here we have like what it's exactly the price and all the stuff. Okay, so now we know what product we're going to be promoting. In my case, it's going to be this one, Prodentin. Okay, it's helping people with keep your teeth and gums healthy. Okay, so I'm going to be using a couple of tools here. Okay, the very first one is I'm going to be using Chat GPT. So we are actually going to go to Chat GPT or OpenAI, and I actually asked ChatGPT that I want it to write a 5-page ebook on tips to rebuild gums and teeth. Okay, because this is actually the problem that my product is gonna solve. So here it asks, the title is 5 essential tips and rebuild gums and strengthening teeth naturally. Have an introduction, the very first chapter, the second chapter, the third chapter, and so on. And here we have a conclusion. Okay, this is a 5-page ebook. You can give it format. If you want to have more in-depth information, you can ask ChatGPT like, hey, I want you to write more information about chapter 5. So ChatGPT is going to give you more and more and more information about it. Okay. This is an ebook that we're going to be giving away for free. Okay. So that's something I want you to take into consideration. Now, what we're going to be doing is that we're going to be creating this ebook. You can go to canva.com, or if you want, you can have something simple. You can create it on Google Drive. Okay. For example, I have here mine on Google Drive. Here I have the 5 essentials. You can start giving format. Like you can make this a little bit bigger. Maybe this is going to be a little bit bolder and all this stuff, right? So you can start giving it format. Okay. You can do this here or you can do this on Canva. Okay. But what is actually really, really important is that our book, we need to have what we call to actions. That's the reason why I have here where it says, click here, get your special dental mineral to rebuild gums. Okay, that's my call to action because I want people to be getting valuable information. Okay, I want people to get valuable information, but I want them to go to my link in this case, which is going to be my affiliate link. So now I click here where it says promote. Okay, I'm going to type in here, continue. Okay, this is actually my affiliate link. Okay, this is my affiliate link. And this is a link that I'm going to be copying and I'm going to be linking on my Google Doc. Okay, or on Canva. Okay, you're going to have this here. You can click here where it says insert link and you're going to paste it. Okay, so you can do this, as I told you, on Google Drive. You can use this on Canva. Um, One cool thing about Canva is the fact that you have some templates over there. But if you want to keep it simple, hey, here is a solution. There is no excuses, okay? I want you to have really fast solutions. If later on you want to hire a designer, that's okay, but you don't need to do that from the get-go. Okay. So now we have the product that we're going to be promoting. We have the place in which they're going to grab our links, and we have something that we're going to be giving away for free, something valuable. Okay. So what we're going to see right now, we're going to go to Facebook Ads Library. Okay. Here on Facebook Ads Library, you can actually do a quick search, okay, on all the countries, the ad categories, and you can type the name of the product here. In this case, it's going to be Prodentin. Then how do you know the name? Because it's actually here, okay? It's actually here. It's actually here. And this is also here, okay? This is also here. So you're going to type the name here, okay? We're not going to go to category. We're going to see exactly how people are promoting this on Facebook. And you're going to get some ads. Okay. These are the ads that are running at the time recording this video. This can change later on. And you can see that if I click, for example, here to get more information, they're not giving away something for free. This is something that I actually realized. They are, um, you know, telling people about the product right away, okay, and the prices and all the stuff. So if I check on this price. I'm like, whoa, okay, no, maybe I'm not interested right now. Maybe you are, but maybe you're not prepared. Maybe you're watching this, um, on the subway on your way home, at the bus station. Okay, so people are not ready to make a purchase, and if we give them some information for free, in this case, we're gonna give them our super ebook about the 5 essential tips to rebuild gums and strengthening teeth naturally. Right? They're like, hey, this is something that I can start reading. Okay. And if I'm interested, there is a link. If they don't purchase right away, we can start doing what we call follow-ups. Okay. So how we are going to be doing this? Okay. There are different tools. On the description, I'm going to giving you a couple of links. First one is going to be for Aweber. You can try it for free. Second one is about ClickFunnels. You can actually build a small funnel on ClickFunnels. And the third option is System.io. Here in System.io, you are going to have the opportunity to create a simple funnel. Let me show you how it actually works. Here in System.io, you're going to go to funnels. Then you're going to click here where it says create. I'm going to click here where it says YouTube. That's going to be, this is a tutorial. Okay. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be building an audience. Then I'm going to click here where it says save. Okay. Really nice is that we are going to have here what we're going to be giving away. Okay. So we're going to be capturing names here. Okay. They have some templates. You can choose the one you like. Maybe this one. Okay. You can click here where it says preview. Okay. I like to keep things simple. Okay. I like to keep things simple. So most of the time I end up deleting a lot of stuff because I really love simple stuff. Like, hey, this is one I can give you. You like it? Yes, no, boom. Okay, cool. So let's me share with you. For example, I can use this one. I can replace the image. This is actually really cool because it's actually drag and drop. Okay, but there is a template here that I want you guys to see. Okay, I can use this one that is actually really simple. Okay. And I can put here like, okay, the text might be like how to rebuild guns and teeth fast with this secret mineral. Download free ebook. Give me your first name or your name, not maybe not the last name, but just the name and the email. Download the ebook. Okay. On the next page, they're gonna have the opportunity to download the ebook. Okay, so these are cool things that you can actually start doing. If you want to learn more about this in depth, I'm going to be leaving a link below with what is my #1 recommendation to make money online. Okay, so check the very first link in the description. And remember that everything that you need, all the descriptions, all the links are going to be in the description. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. I see you guys on the next video.